Hi, Emma here. I'm going to talk you through how to clean your Cricut mats. If, like me, you've got lots of mats that are covered in lots of bits and pieces and they've started to lose their stick, then it's time to give them a nice wash to bring them back to life. Remember, you'll only be able to wash them a couple of times to bring back that stick. After a while, they are a consumable item, so that stick will start to decrease and you will need to invest in new mats eventually. But let's give them a clean. So first of all, take a scraper tool and you're just going to scrape away all of that excess. Any bits and pieces, any small bits of fluff. Depending on what you use in your machine for, you're going to have all sorts of bits and bobs on there. So make sure to remove those, like so. Now what I like to do is run a nice shallow warm bath for my mats. You could of course do this in the sink with a bit of washing up liquid. Pop your mats in there to soak for about 10 minutes, just so they can, some of that debris can start to loosen off. Then all you're going to do is go in and carefully rub with your fingertips. Don't use any scrubbers, don't use any harsh or chemical sprays or anything like that that could remove the stick. Washing up liquid is perfect. You're going to give a nice good rub. Get all in there, and that's going to get rid of all of these little bits like this on your mat that are just stuck behind from various projects. Once you've done that and you're happy that your mats are looking beautifully clean, you're going to leave them to air dry. I tend to do this overnight. Make sure they air dry inside because you don't want dust and particles to get attached to them whilst you're drying. And it's this air drying that activates the stick again. So this step is really important. This should then give you lovely sticky mats to use. But remember to always pop the plastic cover over the top to keep them protected, and I would advise hanging them up so that dust isn't going to fall on them and you're going to minimise the amount of stuff getting stuck to them. I hope that helped you clean your Cricut mats.